Hey guys!
Hey everybody.
We have a super exciting announcement for you guys. So stay tuned. We have 5 fall favorite essential oils for all of you that are 20% off
20%, that's huge, right?
for the next 2 days from October 23rd to 25th. You can get Valor, Cedarwood, Thieves, Lavender, and
And
Peppermint
Peppermint.
for 20% off. So do you guys want to learn more about these oils, how to use them, how to get the benefits from them, how to stock up on these, share them with your family and friends? Yes? Okay, Leslie, why don't you tell us more about cedarwood?
All right, cedarwood is one of my favorite oils. As you know, it comes from a tree. It's very grounding. It's got a warm, woodsy aroma, and it's got constituents that are really high in sesquiterpenes. So it's really great for applying to the skin. It has very soothing, cleansing skin benefits. It's also really great to use on the bottoms of your feet to improve your healthy sleep routine.
I love using it before sleep. So some
Yes.
people, if you don't like lavender, maybe peace and calming, they don't work great for you to help support your bedtime routine, try cedarwood. Cedarwood is one of my all-time favorites. Plus it has that like woodsy, kind of
Earthy. It's
earthy,
really-
robust smell to it. So it works great as a cologne too. So rubbing it in your head for a head massage, mixing
yeah.
it with your shampoos, mixing it with a little peppermint in your shampoo. It's really just great for the skin.
Great for all skin,
Yep.
including the scalp, but it also adds healthy shine to your hair. So
Yeah.
I like this one. It's not, obviously it's a tree, so it's not the floral notes, so my husband enjoys that one too.
Okay, so another favorite oil that you guys are getting 20% off is Thieves.
Yay.
Who loves Thieves?
Oh my gosh.
Thieves is the oil that I go through the most in the fall time because really it's so powerful, and especially as the seasons change, you need to be diffusing this all the time, applying it. I go through honestly probably a bottle a month. So this is a great time to stock up. Stock up on your Christmas gifts.
Okay, get your Thieves for the
Yes,
holiday
get your
season.
Thieves
Get
for the
prepared.
holidays.
And I love that it's got the clove and the cinnamon, so when you diffuse it, it just makes the whole house smell
Smells
warm.
like
It's
homey a little
yeah,
bit.
it's the
Yeah.
aromas of fall to me. I just
So
love it.
Thieves is a mixture of lemon, cinnamon, clove, rosemary, and eucalyptus. So these powerful oils work together. It's cleansing when applied topically to the skin. So you can apply it to the bottoms of your feet, along your spine, anywhere in the skin that may need it. I love diffusing it because its aroma can help purify the air of unwanted odors. Really helps your home smell wonderful. And just as the seasons change and as you need that, extra help, diffusing
boost.
Thieves by your bedtime is by your bedstand.
By
on
your
bedstand.
bedside,
By
at
your
your
bedside.
bedtime.
You guys get it. It's great. So I love diffusing it, and as I sleep, I just breathe in that aroma all night, and you're really, you're getting that air that's enhanced with the molecules from these powerful essential oils,
Very
which
powerful.
is wonderful to help you as it gets colder and
If
things start to
you
change.
have kids or work with kids,
Yeah.
I put this on the bottoms of my feet before I leave the house every day. It's great to put on your kids before they leave for school too.
All right, next oil, Leslie.
We're going to talk about lavender.
Let's talk about lavender. Who loves
Lavender. Oh my gosh. Where
Lavender
to
is
begin?
another staple. Lavender is
Right?
another staple. One of the most versatile essential oils. So you can never have too much of this.
Right? Okay, they picked an incredible lineup for this promotion because these are 5 oils that you really can't do without, right?
No.
So
Nope.
lavender is the single most used, most popular essential oil, and with really good reason because it's so diverse in the benefits and the many different ways you can use it. Everything from soothing occasional skin irritations to supporting healthy, like hair, skin, nails, all these things. It's just so great to use. Also for relaxation. That's one of the reasons why I absolutely love it. I add a few drops of lavender to an Epsom salt foot soak or to the bath. I even sprinkle it in the shower sometimes and let that steam treatment just work
Just
its
soothe
magic.
you.
It's so
It's like
soothing.
a very zen oil. I say lavender helps you find your zen. It is calming and it can help fight occasional nervous tension, so it's great for that. So you can rub it, along the back of your neck, along your feet. You can diffuse it to get those benefits, getting those aromatic and those topical benefits. Plus, like Leslie said, it has skin cleansing properties. So skin cleansing properties for your skin. Also, it's great for your hair. So it can help reduce the appearance of blemishes. It can help support a youthful glow, and it can help just really your skin look its best. It's a
Okay.
great oil for that.
If it sounds like this is your everything oil, it's
It
because
is.
it is. When you look at the constituents in it, it's so diverse. It's got so many wonderful things going on that it really is the oil that we recommend people go to when they don't know which oil to try.
It's a great oil to use just when you don't know what to use too, because it's very gentle. So it's a really good oil to use on kids or people who are new to essential oils. It's very calming, it's very gentle, it's a very easy oil to use and apply. So try using it before bedtime, try using it just before you go to yoga, maybe when you're stretching. It's a wonderful oil. I love it. I love all these oils. So.
Right? This is like, I can't believe this lineup. These are probably the 5 that I carry with me the most.
Now peppermint is another oil that you can get for 20% off. Peppermint is very, very powerful, and it's also versatile like lavender. These two together are like the two oils that most people, the dream team, yeah, 2 oils that most people start with. Now, peppermint is great to apply to fatigued muscles after exercise. It's very cooling to the skin. It has a constituent in it called menthol, and menthol provides a cooling sensation when you apply it topically. Many sports creams or commercial products on the market will actually synthetically copy menthol, which is naturally occurring in the peppermint essential oil.
Yes.
They'll copy that and put it in their products because of those cooling benefits. So you get that naturally from peppermint essential oil. You can apply it on your chest before you exercise or just as you go outside. It just is very cooling. It's very opening. It has a very energizing, uplifting aroma, so it's great to add to diffuser blends. So mixing it with lavender is a good combination. I love mixing it with lime and grapefruit. You can mix it with black spruce. You can mix it with any of your more woodsy oils.
Okay, it goes really well with cedarwood as well.
Oh, cedarwood. It goes great with cedarwood. It's great to add to DIYs too. So like whether it's lip scrubs, whether it's your shampoos, it's a great oil to add to that.
So many, and I think it's a great gateway oil, as I like to call it, because people are familiar with peppermint. It's nothing strange to them. It's something that everybody's familiar with on some level. So.
Oh yeah, and it smells really good.
Yeah.
And we have a Vitality version, which is, it's the same oil as this, but it's just labeled specifically for internal use. And when you use peppermint Vitality, it's great for all things digestion. It supports a healthy digestive system. It helps soothe occasional digestive discomfort. So it's great to apply topically to your, or it's great to use, not apply topically.
Okay, this is the topical
it's
one.
It's great to put on your tongue,
all
or
things tummy trouble.
Put in your drink after a meal.
I like to put it in
very
capsules
soothing.
as well, because it's a spicy one. So
it's very wonderful. So last, should we talk about my conversion oil? I have a special place in my heart for this oil. I really, truly do. Another Young Living favorite is 20% off, and that is Valor.
Can you guys believe
Who's
that?
freaking out
Oh
about
my
this
gosh!
right
Right? I'm still. Anybody else still like really enthused that it's back in stock?
Oh yes.
Let alone 20% off. Oh my gosh! It is holiday season.
Now, Valor was
because of that.
actually one of Young Living founder Gary Young. It was one of his favorite essential oils, and it really holds a special place in his heart. Valor is a mixture of camphorwood, black spruce, frankincense, geranium, and I'm missing one more. Blue tansy. I can't forget the blue tansy. That's why it has that blue. You can see it has the blue color to it. It's because of that blue tansy. It has like almost like an ink-like blue color. Now, Valor, when you think of Valor, it's really just everything calming and balanced. It has a very calming, a very balancing, and a very balancing aroma. So you can apply it before you're maybe doing a presentation, filming a video, where you need some extra courage. This is what Valor is for. It is absolutely amazing. Lots of people love applying it to their spine too, or along the bottoms of your feet. That's what converted me to essential oils, was that. Someone told me to apply it to my spine. I thought they were crazy and like whatever. This plant juice stuff is just like, I don't know if I believe it. I applied this and I was like, I'm a believer.
Sold, yeah.
I'm sold. Give me more of this stuff. I don't know how it works, but I love it. And so I love Valor.
Just one of my favorite emotional oils too.
And it's just the aroma is so calming and
Okay, whenever I go out on speaking assignments, I get to come to some of your events and speak with members. This one is always with me.
So Valor.
Before I hit the stage.
So which oil are you guys most excited about? Put in the comments what oil you are going to stock up on. Which oil is your favorite? Let us know. We'll pick a couple winners and send you some of these free oils. So thanks for tuning in.
See you guys.